These days, everybody's got a robotics program. There's the other guys, and then there's BattleBot Workshop. Make your summer camp the talk of the town as you introduce campers to a whole new level of awesome. Add giant build and battle robotics to your list of activities. No one does STEM-based robotics like we do. Expect your campers to be fully focused while engaging in supersized team building. Watch as they use patience, cooperation, and creativity to build mega-sized robots for full contact competition. Get ready for exciting sports like giant robot soccer, giant robot football, and the all-time favorite, giant BattleBot. Wow! We make it easy. No need to load a bus or keep track of wandering kids. BattleBot Workshop is an in-house field trip specialist. We can bring this colossal activity to the safe and controlled environment of your location or venue. That's right, we can go wherever you are. Don't have space at your facility? We've partnered with local parks and recreation centers to provide the room you need for your group to enjoy. Give us a call for a park near you. BattleBot Workshop is leading the way in the sport of super easy, giant build and battle robotics. We designed this action-packed, fun-filled program for ages 5 to teens to adults as an introduction into robotics that appeals to all rather than a select few. Reserve your group activity today and prepare for an experience like none other. BattleBot Workshop, delivering Texas-sized fun for your next summer camp event.